how to use the flanger in Logic Pro X. We simply choose a layer we want to affect, go down to our effects, go to modulation and choose flanger. This will give it a very, like two vinyl records are over each other and they're swooshing and they're messing with the frequency a little bit effect. I'll solo it out and go through these presets so you can hear what's going on. You can also get really cool effects out of this, but it's also a less is more, and you can dirty up or mess up a sound to be super synthetic, super quick, and not realize it because in the moment it sounds kind of cool. So be careful with this and use it in a less is more format. I'll let this loop a few times with the beat and the rest of the layers on. You guys can hear the bit of the change ups that's going on back there. Works really well on your secondary instruments, I find, as a tip. Okay, and that's how you use the flanger tool in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.